Namibia's tax-to-GDP ratio is below 20%. In other words, below 20% of our GDP is raised through taxes. Now that's relatively low by international standards, but also within Africa. Countries like South Africa have a better ratio. What this figure tells us essentially is that there is scope for Namibia to increase tax revenue, that we are not doing too well in terms of raising revenue, and that there are other options of increasing the tax net. That would be by including also people that are currently not paying taxes, although their income is definitely high enough to do so. That's also a question of fairness to say, well, all those that are earning well enough should make a contribution to public services, to government coffers through the tax system. The other side of the same coin is, however, that people need to be sure that their taxes are well spent. If taxes are used corruptly, if it's wasteful expenditure, it's very difficult, if not impossible, to convince anyone to pay taxes voluntarily. So we need to look at both, a better expenditure, more stringent, less wasteful, and more with a redistributive agenda, in other words, benefiting the poor and those who've been left out all those years.